Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to merge duplicate Google contacts. So if you have the same person saved multiple times, Google makes it easy to combine them into a single contact. So to start, open Google Contacts on your computer or in your mobile browser. You can also click this menu right here and look for contacts. Click on it. Now once you're here in the left-hand menu, click or tap Merge and Fix. So once you click that, Google will scan your contacts and display any duplicates it finds. So as you can see, I have one right here. So what you can do is you can click merge right here or you can click merge all. So let's click merge all. So review these suggested matches, then click merge all to combine every duplicate at once or select merge next to individual contacts. So as you can see, the contact has been merged. So once merged, all the information from the duplicate contacts will be combined into a single contact. So again, just go to contacts.google.com. Then on the left side, click merge and fix. Then just click merge all, or if it's only an individual contact, select merge to merge the contact. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.